In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove links in Google Docs. If you want to make your document more useful and easier to navigate, adding hyperlinks is a simple feature that can make a big difference. A link can take readers to a website, another online resource, or supporting information, and removing the link is just as easy when you no longer need it. Let's walk through the process clearly from start to finish. To begin, open your Google Doc and find the text you want to turn into a link. This could be a word, a short phrase, or a sentence, depending on what you want your readers to click on. Once you've found it, select that text by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. Make sure you highlight exactly the portion you want linked, because only the selected text will become clickable. After the text is selected, go to the toolbar at the top of Google Docs and click the Insert button. This menu contains several options you can add to your document, and one of them is for links. When the menu opens, choose Link. At that point, the link option is ready to be applied to the text you selected. This is the step that connects your chosen text to a web destination. When working with links, it's always a good idea to double check that you selected the correct text before inserting the link. That helps keep your document neat and professional, especially if you're sharing it with others. Now, let's look at how to remove a link if you no longer want that text to be clickable. Start by clicking the linked text in your document. When you do that, Google Docs will show you the link controls for that specific hyperlink. From there, select Remove Link, which is usually shown with a broken chain icon. Clicking that option will remove the hyperlink from the text. This is useful if a link is outdated, incorrect, or simply no longer needed in the document. Once you remove the link, the text itself will stay in place. Only the hyperlink is removed, so you won't lose the wording or formatting in your document. That means you can keep the content exactly as it is while taking away the clickable behavior. And that's it. You now know how to add a link and how to remove one in Google Docs. It's a quick skill, but it can really improve the way your documents look and function. Thank you for watching.